How's tricks?
Did you make it out?
No.
I'm just about to emerge.
Hmm.
I was exploring other pathways I hadn't seen before I got excited.
That's fair.
I think, yeah, I'm at the last passage. I'll be out in a second.
Okay. Hey, brothers.
Holy moly! Oh no!
Hello.
The car.
Get out of the car?
No, I got the car.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got many fucking phone calls I didn't want to have.
What if my wife places me at my job?
Okay. Yeah.
Fuck you too.
What would we like to do? Play with locals or play with cars?
Go check your garden soon.
Yes.
If you want to give you some stuff to give some people do that.
Yeah, let's do both those things. Cool. I love how so many cars did that in a row.
Locals are crazy.
Mm-hmm. You need a car. There's one over there.
Oh, hi, hello.
Hello, how are
I'm
you?
Is that
I'm working.
Miss Buchanan? I'm sorry, I did not realize. I thought your accomplice here was looking for a vehicle.
Wait, what? No, I'm not Miss Buchanan. I'm Miss Middleton.
I thought you were Daisy. Oh,
Oh.
same fit.
Nope, I'm Maisie Middleton, and I'm dressed for court.
You are
Which is why I'm
Maisie.
dressed like this.
Hi.
I'm not
Hello.
used to wearing this. It's a little tight.
I'm James and I work for you.
Yes, well, oh, I thought you were going to say
Actually,
yes.
you
Well,
do.
Oh,
I'm
both of you.
Well, not
going
her.
to steal you, James, and take you to the court.
Woo! Let's go.
So what's on the docket today, Maisie?
Well,
I'm
we
Danny
have a,
Solari,
we
by
have
the
a
way.
court case.
We've spoken.
Yes, we have, right?
Yes.
I'm Aggie.
I did not.
Stalker.
Yeah.
In about an hour's time, we have a court case happening, so it should be interesting. And I will say no more
I
until
can't
the
even
court
inquire
case.
about the subject matter or the
I like surprises.
Spoilers.
I'm
Yeah.
very curious. Okay. In an hour?
Go.
That's correct, yes.
I'm going to be there.
Fantastic. Yes, we're going to see if I'm any good at this or if it's all bluster. I can't wait to find out.
I already know you're good at it. It's not bluster. Fucking rock the shit out of them. I believe in you.
Okay, thank you.
You'll win.
And then I'm going to fill James's heart with inspiration, and he's going to become a paralegal immediately after the fact. It's going to be cool.
And he's going to read so many books that he's going to slam his head against the desk 5 times and get a concussion.
Nice.
Actually, now that you mention it, let me see something. Hang on.
That guy works.
A lot of people work for me. This one, though, I like him.
What does he do for you?
A little bit of acquisition of material.
James, let me make a phone call to the judge at the moment. I'm
There was.
wondering if maybe they are here, because if they are, then potentially they might hire you at the moment. Let me see. Okay, it's ringing. It's ringing. I suspect he may not be available at this moment, but that's okay. Point is, I'm definitely going to see a judge. Right? Oh, there he is. He's phoning me back. That's cool. Hello, hi, Judge Slider.
Yeah, Slider. I was like, it was Stingray or
Yes,
Sterling
I have
or
fantastic news. Oh, go ahead.
the Man of Silver.
Yes, I certainly think so, but we cannot discuss it because that would be very serious. So,
No, you can.
yeah, oh, yes.
Yes.
Yes, well, yes, absolutely. Anyway, what? Yes, the purpose of my call is I'm standing with a Mr. James Logan who would like to become a paralegal. Are you available to handle hiring him at the moment, or should I ask him to contact you later? Oh, fantastic. Right now we are in a car park, little distance away from City Hall.
Next to Tinsel Apartments. I'm helping.
Harmony Medical. Oh, I hope you're okay. Right. Okay, if we both come up
Be
to
safe.
collect you, then you might have to be, or one of us might have to be a little trunk baby. I have 2 seats in my car.
I got a 4-seater.
Okay. Right, I'll be up shortly. Okay, bye for now. Bye.
This is comfy.
Okay,
Isn't it?
James, I have good news. Judge
Yep.
Slater can hire you at the moment. We need to go
Ooh,
to
cool.
Harmony to collect him because he's had an accident of some kind.
Oh dear.
I have good news and I have great news. The good news is James is very warm and he's fun to cradle. The great
Oh.
news is I can transport all of us.
Oh, excellent. Right, okay.
My wonderful daughter rented us this vehicle. It's 4 seats. It could actually fit 6.
Okay, this is going to sound a little bit rude.
Mhm.
This car is yours, right?
Yeah.
Of course.
Right, but like it's actually yours. This is very important.
Okay.
I'm going to be honest with the
Right.
lawyer.
Okay.
I do have another car, but it's going to be less comfortable for everyone.
If it's
This-
got paperwork with your name on it, then it's more comfortable for me.
It has the shop's name on it.
What? What? Did you pull
where
his
did-
car?
I pulled it out, but I don't know where it went.
Is it in front of City Hall? Oh, here. Wait, it's gone.
There it is. You have to get in the back with Aggie. Don't worry about the many things that she might try to poke you with. It's fine.
God.
They're sterilized.
Okay, yes, so we're going to Harmony.
Mm-hmm. Wait. That's not... Somebody set a marker for a bad place. That's not where we're going. We're going to Harmony Medical, right?
Yes, that's correct. The marker, I don't know. That was not me.
James.
Oh, it's stuck. I can't
Looking
get rid
at
of it.
you.
It won't go.
Aggie, put the hammer away.
Okay, yes, I got your text message now, James. Yes, I probably will be.
Cool, cool. Right, sorry, you're here now.
Well, yes.
We're all here now. I don't like how this thing drives. I promise I'm a much better driver than this vehicle allows me to be. That was his fault. I want to know who painted this fucking thing like Pepto-Bismol. I think it was Edward, but it might have been someone else. But if it was Edward, I swear to God.
It's nice. I feel like Margot Robbie is going to emerge from the back of it and announce herself as Barbie.
Wait, Ryan Gosling's here too?
That would be nice.
Wouldn't it?
That would be nice.
Although, now that I mention it, I don't think I like what he stood for in that film, so perhaps not.
He stood for being the himbo that realizes toxic masculinity is a thing. So, you know, most of the incels on the internet who came about in a way that was like, okay, I get where you ended up, but your path is fucked, dude.
Yes, it's strange. It's a shockingly well-written movie.
And yet so forgiving of one glaring problem in society.
Yes. Well,
you learned a lesson. Yay, good boy. Give him a cookie. No. No.
It's weird. It's critical of the problem, but it recognizes that Ken is not necessarily, you know, the be-all and end-all, because the problem exists regardless of whether Ken is behaving that way.
No, exactly. And it also like doubles down on that point by reinforcing a binary that shouldn't exist anyway, because it's all about like him, her. There's no conversation about the in-between unless it's strictly like one. It's all a 1-to-1 ratio. Do you know what I mean?
Yes, that is true, but
Yeah.
it has a limited runtime, and frankly, I think that might be something for a sequel. Oh, there he is.
I mean, if they want to do a fucking Thirsty Lesbian sequel, I think that is so fitting to what actually fucking went on there.
I think that's him over there, behind us.
No, that's Claire.
No, over in front of the police station.
In the red.
I thought I'm sorry. I
saw
thought we were
Claire
going
earlier.
to the hospital.
Hello, Judge
Hello.
Leiter.
I think it with us.
Let's have a look.
It's pretty comfy back there.
Loads of room.
Welcome to the party van, right?
I
That's
don't
fine
know
to
if
call
I
it that, right?
There you are.
Oh,
There we go.
We're all inside.
We all fit in here perfectly.
it's cushy back here. Right, who's the individual who wants to work for my Department of Justice?
That'll be me,
Who's me?
James Logan.
Guys, back with you.
Nice to meet you.
Lord Justice, sir, put your fucking seatbelt on. Thank you.
Sorry, back in England we don't wear seatbelts.
Yeah, and we also drive on the wrong side of the road and eat tea and crumpets. I'm sorry. Go ahead. You were doing an interview.
Someone say crumpets? Huh? Someone say
Wait, you
crumpets?
don't wear your
What?
seatbelt?
I didn't even mention beans on toast. He's
No,
already
someone say
activated.
crumpets. Where's my crumpets?
I think they're that little
Where's my
box next to
crumpets?
you on the ground. It's just
Put
empty. I think there might be like
on
cotton
the
balls in there or
ground.
something.
Ooh, tractor.
Right then, Mr. Sir who wishes to become a paralegal, tell me a little
Yes,
bit about
sir.
your stuff.
What would you like to know?
Anything and everything. I presume you don't mind talking in front of these fine people here.
No. I work
It's
for
okay,
Danny
I'm not a
anyway.
cop.
Fuck yeah, you do.
There you go.
Also,
Tell
thank you,
me.
Judge, for getting my son expunged.
Who's your son?
Edward Teach.
Oh, not a problem.
Oh yes, I was there also. He seems nice.
Tell me anything and everything.
You were wonderful
gosh.
during all of that, Maisie.
I used to be a tow truck driver. Then I got a job at Hayes. Now I pretty much manage Hayes. I also work for Harmony. And that's
So what
about
makes
it,
you
really.
want to get involved in law? Ah! Fuck!
That hurt.
Who did that?
What makes
happened?
what makes you want to get involved in law?
Because I keep getting told to do it, so I may as well go for it.
You've been working with Maisie.
I think there was an old guy who told me to do it the other day as well. He was an English old guy, I think.
I am an English old guy.
Could have
If
been
you're talking
you.
about someone from the DOJ, it's likely me.
Thomas also told me to go for it.
Miss Maisie,
Yes, hi.
are you willing on teaching this individual?
Yes, absolutely.
kind of like this guy's discerning.
Actually, was you outside the Dragon the other day in the car park?
Yes. Yes, I
That was me in the suit.
Oh, I see. Okay.
There you go.
Right,
Maybe-
what's your state ID?
Oh, heck, hang on.
104879. Sorry. It's just muscle response.
100.89.
Oh wow, it is.
100,489. There you are.
I hate this Pepto-Bismol truck.
Slogan. Right. You're now hired into Sabre as a paralegal.
Thank you very much.
You'll be able to learn the way of the law under Miss Middleton. Huh? If and when you believe you're ready to take your bar exam, you'll be able to contact me or one of my judges directly, and we'll be able to do that for you.
Thank you.
Can I be a paralegal?
Anyone can be a paralegal as long as you don't have a criminal record. I presume, Mr. Logan, you don't
Amazing,
have
it
a criminal
doesn't.
I
record?
don't know.
Fantastic.
Hello.
What constitutes a criminal record? What if I have, like...
Have you
not
committed a
s-
crime?
I think you mean
Oh,
have I
hang
been
on.
caught for
Let me
committing
call
a
you
crime?
back in a moment.
Have
I won't be able
you-
to discuss it this evening, but perhaps tomorrow. I'm very busy with the trial at the moment.
Which we can't talk about.
What about non-violent felonies? Where do they rank?
Oh, Hayes, I
No,
wait.
I'm not in the middle of a trial. I'm about to be. But I can discuss it with you tomorrow, okay?
I'll let Miss Middleton educate
Is
you
CJ
on what
there?
constitutes
What, with
an
me now?
ability for that.
No.
I understand there's a lot of things that require an expungement.
Okay,
in
bye
order
for
to be able
now.
to
Bye.
Behave within the confines of the law, but there's not a lot of, I mean, consideration for what happens beside the law. I'm not talking about outside of the law. I'm talking about beside the law. Vigilantism is a chargeable offense, something that you could get a significant amount of time in a charge for, as much as dealing marijuana. And if vigilantism is on par with drug dealing, I'm not certain we understand what the hierarchy of law really is. But to be beside the law is to be assisting it within a different framework. And all I'm saying is I'd make a great paralegal.
So you're suggesting that because you are quote unquote beside the law, you'd make a great paralegal?
No, not paralegal. I'm making a new term, and I'm saying parrot because I think it's funny. What I'm saying is, I used to be a ranger. I used to be a VSSO. And you know what I learned about being a part of the law? You are so limited in what you can actually do, and the information you give has to be so well documented. And that's the responsibility of book nerds. But learning
Welcome
the
to
things
my
that need
job.
to be known and being a part of the system is about understanding how both sides of the law work. I'm just saying.
This side is a lot of fun. They get nervous when I arrive because of that detail you
Is-
mentioned.
You're very intimidating. I'm not gonna
Oh,
lie.
thank you.
Point is, I will and always uphold my friends in the VCSO and the Rangers, and I'm always going to work with them to make sure that what they do is by large part what's going to benefit them and make sure that it goes through for them. What it means for me is not being outside the law, being accountable to it. As you will see by my record, I have been. But I will never harm
Do you
anyone.
study the penal code, sir?
I know the penal code very well. I also know my 10 codes. I know state law. I know my amendments.
Why have you not considered becoming an attorney?
I was a paralegal for a short time before I caught my first felony, and then I left my position out of respect without being told to leave because I didn't want any bad blood, because I had been wrongly, in my opinion, wrongly fired from the VCSO for corruption, though I do not believe anything that happened in that exact moment when I was fired should have been considered corruption.
What's
That's
your
why I
name,
played
sir?
Daniel Solari.
Mr. Solari. Just a moment.
Take your time.
I feel like I've heard your name before.
I was with my son, Edward, when he was expunged. You might have heard it I was a part of the Beth Good Tea incursion. I was a part of.
I see
Odious-
you're part of the Blaine County Sheriff's Office.
Yep.
I mean,
worked
if
under the
you-
Willens and Hendricks.
If you got an expungement, you would have a relatively promising career in law, I believe.
If I got an expungement, I would.
Well,
double
I
down.
can't hire anyone with felonies on their record. I'm sure you can understand that.
I can understand. And that's why I'm mostly just opening the conversation, not even looking for a particular goal or a means to an end. I think
Well,
there's.
perhaps you should.
Hmm.
Take it from an old man, sir. You clearly have a skill that you are able to use. Why not use it?
I agree. And I think to that end, why use it in just one way?
Well, we have a DA's office for a
Oh.
reason.
Oh,
Or
I know.
you can also work as a defense attorney with Miss Middleton. Which, for the record, for someone who came to me saying, "Oh, I wish to train under someone because I don't know the first thing about the law," Miss Middleton has been incredibly impressive since she got her bar exam.
Oh, I've seen it.
I had, as much as you may not like this part, I did have quite a good teacher. I had to fight for that, right enough, but I did.
I assume it was a young, dashing man with 2 eyes and no grunting.
Oh, well, it's definitely not me then, because I'm not young and I don't have 2 eyes.
But yes,
I am
I'm
quite
flattered
dashing, though,
nevertheless.
so-
Wow.
I agree with both those statements. I agree with your instruction.
I would
want-
recommend getting an expungement if you wish to be involved in the legal field. Anyone who puts the effort into learning the law to that extent should get an opportunity as a career attorney, in my eyes.
I believe you are correct. And I believe at the same time that I can, as I said, continue to do what it is I do with the knowledge I have.
What do you do?
Well, I manage Harmony Repairs. I'm not the owner, I am the manager. I manage the dealership across the street. I am slowly trying to manage Uwu, the cafe in the southwest of the city. I keep a pretty good run of about 12 people between businesses. I manage. And outside of that, well, you know,
Do
So
these
I watch the
businesses
side
need
door.
attorneys?
everybody needs an attorney.
Well, it sounds like you have a calling then, my friend.
Hmm. This is a very interesting flip of my thoughts. Okay. I'll definitely take this into further consideration.
Talk to Maisie. She's a very knowledgeable young lady.
I have her number. Maybe we'll go out for a drink sometime.
In the meantime, I have a trial to get ready for.
Yep. 40 minutes. Can't wait for it. I'm excited to see you
Oh
in
shit,
action.
I'd better get ready for that. I'm kidding, I'm mostly ready. But that was funny, right?
She's been ready since last night.
Well, I'm going to retire to my office and make sure that I'm fully prepared to give a full and fair ruling on the matter. So I shall bid you all adieu and thank you very much for the lift.
Of course, sir.
And I presume I'll see you all in court.
Very
Thank
shortly.
you.
Hey,
Perfect. It's nice to meet you all. You take care now.
You too.
Well, that's positive.
Extremely. More than I
Welcome
would have
to the
expected.
party,
Oh,
James.
and Mr.
Thank you.
James,
Yes, hello.
make sure you learn from Maisie. It's your chance to become a full attorney.
Thank you for entertaining my bullshit, Maisie.
Perfect.
You're a lot of fun.
Always.
See you in
I entertain everyone's bullshit, that's my whole thing.
Yeah, you're a lot of fun.
No,
Nice.
again, it's funny. I want people doing this because it makes my life quieter and easier, but also, you guys are great. I think you know, you both will smash it. So please, please, don't make me get on my knees. These trousers are new.
And we haven't had that drink yet. We'll save it. That was a joke in poor taste. I'm gonna walk away now.
Oh,
Bye.
right.
Hey.
Anyway.
Thank you.
There we go.
Okay.
This van doesn't like you. You want to? Yeah, you did.
And back to what we're doing.
We're doing a whole bunch of things. Do you want to go to court? Like, a little
Yeah, but
bit?
you have to go to your plants.
Oh shit, yeah, I haven't done that yet.
Yeah, you're gonna have things, right?
Uh,
Is it up in Harmony?
I don't think I need to hand you anything. Oh, that. Hold on. I don't think that's here. I think that's up at the Harmony parking. Which means... okay. Plants won't take long. I love when stupid people do stupid things. Wait, I need a parachute. These kinds of gamers have no object permanence. They don't know the car's been moved.
You fucking bonehead!
You fucking idiot! Dickhead!
Okay. I love when they phase into the abyss. No, it's more funny if I steal that person's key and they can't use their car anymore and I put their key into this car.
We're gonna know.
What a twist!
Well, your plants gonna go report.
Well, we might still have time to give you plants. Let's see.
Yeah, make sure we get good seeds.
Oh, I want very good seats. I want to heckle the shit out of the other lawyer who's not Maisie. That's gonna be really fun.
I'm gonna go a little bit.
Cool.
Have fun.
I will.
support.
Wow! Christ alive! What the? Oh no! Damn it! What? remedy. Hello! Hey, what's up?
Heyo.
I'm so glad you came to town.
What's up?
I'm done. I'm ready to go where we gotta go.
Wait.
Where are you?
Run to City Hall. Got nowhere else to go. We get $100 in a beer.
I mean, that's pretty cool. Okay, I'll meet you there. We'll get ready for the trial.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Officer 1.
Lighter hired, maybe 20 minutes ago. James is also lovely, but I haven't worked with him yet.
What's your favorite case law?
I will once again repeat that I have not worked with him yet.
Well, you know, you don't need to know the case laws.
Well, certainly not 10 minutes after being hired, that's for sure.
Well, you never know who's you know, how much experience. Like, before I got hired, I had some experience. You never know.
I can fix a car. That's about it.
If you can fix a
I
car, then
can
you
fix
can learn
some
to.
car.
Yes.
Right.
Didn't try that
Perfect.
again.
Thank you so much. Okay, bye now. Oh,
He was
and I guess he
landing,
must be
but
speaking.
All right,
for the most
gorgeous.
part, I
Read me
think
the
it's
rules.
fine.
We're doing mutual
I-
combat.
I excited him.
I saw
Hold
that.
on.
Flustered him.
Where'd that sexy man go?
I broke him. I'm allowed inside. Sorry, Judge. I was testing your sergeant.
No firearm. No firearm.
You
Do you have
are
a firearm on
welcome
you?
to frisk me.
Yeah.
As
Ma'am, do you have a
said
firearm
would.
on you?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was a bond. Put
Sorry,
your arm
officer,
up.
I was listening to the radio. What did you say?
I
I
scared
have no
him.
house, but
I gotta go real quick. Ma'am, please put your firearm away. Then you can come back.
I don't have a house. Where'd I put it?
In your car.
I don't have a car.
Oh, in your hotel room then. To be honest.
What's a
I will
hotel
help
room?
my daughter.
Can you help
It's
her out?
okay. She's a little
Thank you.
confused.
I gotta go.
I gotta go put it back in my test tube.
No. Just take it out of your front pockets and put it in your pockets.
The hell no.
Yeah, just switch it around. Not in your front pockets, in your pockets. And then they don't know. And then they don't know.
Also, here, I got you something.
Hmm? Oh, you're a sweetheart.
Write this one. Here you go.
Hey.
Oh, I'll never know.
You're the best. Let's go watch a movie.
I totally went put my buttons away.
Totally. So this is usually the prosecution side. This is usually the defense side, but sometimes it switches. Yeah.
Do please feel free to take your seats. Thank you.
Look at this man.
Alright, Danny.
Well, god damn, you clean up. Ron Burgundy in the house.
Yoink. I like this.
I think she might have chosen you. Good
Hey.
luck.
Ladies and gentlemen, please start taking your seats as people start to fill into the courtroom. Thank you.
I'll take some popcorn real quick.
I think that's a great idea.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Is that Dragonfire?
Yep.
Damn.
I'm here to watch your court case. See how my paralegals are doing.
It's been a minute. You're a paralegal. I thought you weren't ADA anymore.
Yeah, but I'm the one that taught Morgan and also Maisie the law. So it's seeing how they do.
So you made the super weapon.
Well, it was Thomas as well. I blame Thomas for that.
Ah, you're right. She made herself.
Wait, sorry, who is the super weapon?
Hmm? Who would say super weapon in a courtroom?
I'm wondering the same. Well, I know
Me
that.
too.
I know it was you, but why?
Wildly outrageous.
Yeah, there's no weapons here.
Mm-mm.
There's a sign outside saying no weapons.
There was a very handsome man there saying the same thing. With a floral crown.
I didn't see him.
He wasn't there. I know. He was only there for a short time. I was spoiled.
What's your name again?
Danny. Solari.
Solari. Sorry, I don't recognize the name, but it does sound familiar.
I was a ranger back when you were going to teach the rangers the code, and then the current game warden at the time did not heed that advice. I was BCSO for a short while.
Oh, yeah.
I was also a
I was-
paralegal a little while at your recommendation.
Okay. Yeah, I know there's so much going on.
It's been a busy couple months.
Yeah. Now we finally get to see a court case, and I can't wait to see this.
Mm-hmm.
Let me go see where Macy went. So, are you the DA's paralegal now?
No. That is James.
Wait, are you James? Are you the ADA paralegal?
I'm with Maisie, if that's what it is.
Yeah, Maisie's not ADA.
I know. I'm just fucking with you. I don't think his paralegal's here.
I never met that guy. I just heard about somebody becomes the paralegal for ADA. I was like, how many people do they need? I think there's like 3 ADAs now. Actually, there's 2 ADAs and 1 DA.
Yeah. There's been a big top-down restructuring going on, and I'm very curious about it. I actually think Maisie is a good contest for getting up there.
No, we need her as a lawyer.
No,
pretty
I
good.
know. But I think she's gonna train better lawyers. Not that she's bad, I'm saying like she's just gonna fucking churn out lawyers.
Hopefully. Yeah, I'm gonna get my car license back. Hopefully.
Hey, you bought up one of the mechanic shops, didn't you?
Yeah, I bought Stroke Masters early on. I was like the original owner.
Alright, let me hold on.
AD.
Where's my money?
You're in
I
my
gave you.
seat.
Check your bank.
Did you?
You're in my seat.
That's fine. Give
Me?
me
You're
a
in my
second.
seat. No, you're fine. You're fine, Mikey. We're gonna talk in a second. You're in my seat.
Yeah, I don't see your name on
He's
it.
yeah, he's the guy that's on trial right now.
Yeah, I'm the guy who's gonna move him out of that seat.
I don't think you're gonna want to touch me. I mean, lawsuit right there. So, anyways, Dragon, how you been?
Pretty good. I gotta apologize to Slider and try to get my job back.
You gotta apologize. Didn't they fire you unfairly though?
For all behind.
Damn, that's.
Oh, I did something wrong and I gotta own up to my mistakes. That's what Maisie would want me to do.
I say you should always double down.
Sometimes you just gotta lick the boot.
That's very true, I guess.
So here's the question.
Mm-hmm.
Stroke Masters, how much?
It's not for sale.
That's not what I asked.
How much? Me become justice. Here you go.
It's not the tallest order.
It's the tallest order in the city.
It's like 2 mil.
That 2 million will never get me close to be. That might get me maybe my bar license back, but having close to being just.
That depends on everyone else in the line. But Stroke Masters, how much?
If they
It's
fail,
not for sale.
you're gonna end them all, right?
You're not using it. You're not.
How
opening it.
much
You're not
time would I
making
get if I
anything
said
off
like,
of it.
let's say I had a certain device that goes boom?
It was opening, but all the mechanics that I just hired, they moved to the
Oh, he's mechanic.
the other city.
But I was just wondering.
Yeah.
like, if I
Well,
was to
guess
say
who
something like
owns
that,
most
what
of the
would happen?
mechanics in town?
They
Who?
would probably
How
evacuate
much?
the building.
It's not for sale.
Okay.
And probably
I'm working with some people to get the small.
And if I didn't, that's
I'm right now. I'm getting the small Stroke Masters. I got somebody to
Starship?
buy that. Yeah.
How many mechanics do you think it's going to take for that place to be profitable? Be realistic.
I don't know. Not that much, cause
4.
Is Miss Middleton in the courtroom
Let's say
currently?
4. And let's say 4
Yes,
that
hello.
come in at book
Okay,
1.
fantastic.
How much
Is
profit will
the
you
defendant
turn
attending
for
today,
booking
or is this trial
mechanics
going to be conducted in
in your shop?
absentia?
No, the accused is present.
Fantastic. Okay.
it's not about the money.
Perfect.
More
Thank you.
about the real estate. And I'm holding it for a friend.
It reminds me notifications of the sound guys.
So, if your friend asked, and they asked how much, what would you tell them?
Well, they are the ones that paid for it. I mean, I didn't make a dime off of Stroke Masters.
I know that guy.
Okay. This is the last time I'm going to ask before I move back up to my seat. You haven't made anything off of it. You could make something. You're currently in somebody else's pocket, like a little bitch, and you want to get back into this pocket, like a different kind of bitch. And I'm sorry for saying bitch so much, but you are just giving yourself to other people. How much?
I'm a lawyer. That's what we do. You're here to serve the people. Oh, I am gonna be on your side, D. But I'm gonna be standing over there just because I don't want Spider to think that I'm doing something that I'm not supposed to be doing in the courtroom, talking to the defense. So that's why I'm gonna be over there. I don't worry, you think that I don't care about you, but that's the reason I'm over there.
Yeah, definitely. That's why we're here for sure.
Yeah,
Hey, what's up,
did
kid?
you get food?
What's up? What's up?
Could I have a little bit of food?
Doctor, welcome to court. This is fun.
He's a little anxious right now, Keith. If you want to give him some of that support. He's been waiting for this day for a little while.
Right, Mr. Bennett, shall we take our seats?
Oh, it's so much better.
Who's that guy?
Might be thinking. When he finishes thinking, someone tell him.
He owns a shop that I want.
Someone telepathically yell at him.
It's a big one. It's a good one.
There we go. Go take your seat.
It's kind of crazy that nobody else is sitting on our side of the room.
Oh, there we are. That's fantastic. Hi, Mr. Bennett.
Well, they might have to hear what this guy did. I don't know what he did, but I'm saying.
I'm also curious.
Yeah.
If he's not a murderer or a carjacker, I'm bored. Hey, Sven. Hello, Sven. This is Danny. It's going good. I am at City Hall waiting for a court case to kick off. I don't know, but I'm curious.
Oh, well.
We do have a box truck.
Honestly.
We have
a
one.
relaxing bath.
We have 2 scrap trucks, though.
Yeah, Keith asked what I was thinking about it. This looks like I'm very focused. Yeah, I am. I'm thinking about a relaxing bath.
Alicia.
It's so very worth it. You should totally do
Oh my
that.
god, for a moment I thought you would lose sharp. And I was going to keep running.
The courtroom stressed me the fuck out.
Should I sit in the stands or am I fine to sit up here?
You should be up here.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it, dude. I will, for sure. See you soon. Bye. Hello, deputy and...
Hello.
Ride along? Maybe?
Deputy.
What? Also a deputy?
Yeah.
It's not the casual days. You look so casual.
No. I'm
she's
just
CIU.
dressed for court.
She's
No, I'm just-
investigations.
Yeah, definitely.
You have an investigation unit now?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we've had one.
We've had investigation and tactical.
For how long?
A month plus?
How? Why couldn't they have it when I was there? I just wanted to be a detective.
Yeah.
It's closed
been a
now
month
as well.
plus. Yeah. To investigations is closed. Only PTU is open.
Yeah, we also have school.
Yeah.
What is
That is-
PTU?
Yeah, me. Don't you yeah me. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's sad, Dad. Really sad.
I know. I was a shit cop, but would have been a great investigator.
Yeah.
Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Just before we begin, I just want to clarify. Okay, no, never mind. Okay, perfect. So we're going to be looking at case BCSO versus Benir 8673. Before we begin, first things first, my name is Montgomery J. Slighter. I am the Assistant Chief Justice for the Department of Justice. Stood to my left is Magistrate Franco Nil of the Circuit Court of the State of San Andreas. Before we begin, a couple of rules. If you are in this courtroom, please make sure that your phones are on silent to ensure that we are not interrupting court proceedings.
8 people took their
On top
phones
of
out. It was
that,
awesome.
there will be no calling out from the gallery. You are here to watch and observe. And I fully appreciate you being here, but we need to make sure that we keep things going as swiftly and smoothly as possible. Any kind of interruption, you will be ejected from the courtroom. Respectfully, of course, we just want to keep things flowing nice and smoothly. As mentioned before, there will be no calling out from the gallery. Both sides will get their time to speak and their time to call any questions and such. And from there, if any side from either the prosecution or the defense doesn't understand any comment or question posed by the bench, please go ahead and ask for clarification. We'll be more than happy to do that. So, without further ado, for the prosecution, who do we have as first chair?
Sorry, sir.
Speak up. Who do we have as first chair for the prosecution?
First chair, DA Morgan Durant.
Okay. And do you have any further prosecuting parties with you today, Mr. Durant?
I may have Abigail, DA, attending.
Okay. Who is the officer sat with you?
This is Richard Hughes.
Richard Hughes. And is Richard Hughes going to be co-prosecuting with you today?
No, witness.
Okay. Not a problem. And for the defense, who do we have as counsel?
That would be me, Maisie Middleton.
Maisie Middleton. And for the defendant, can you please identify yourself?
Yes, D. Bennett.
Perfect, thank you. You can be my bailiff. Fantastic, thank you. You couldn't have had any better timing. What was your name, Mr. Bailiff?
Ivan West.
Oh, it's a fucking haircuts. It's the haircut. Okay, so Mr. Durant, if you're happy to return to your bench, we're going to go ahead and do the swearing in. If all parties involved can go ahead and raise their hand. And Mr. Ivan West is going to go ahead and swear you in. Please remember that by raising your hand and partaking in this oath, you automatically agree to the oath. Mr. West, if you would be so kind.
All right. Do you swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you, Peanut?
I do.
I do?
Yeah.
Good, good. Everybody is sworn in, Judge.
Fantastic, thank you. Before we begin with opening statements, I wish to give both sides the opportunity to present any pre-trial motions, prosecution, if you have any.
Nope, just confirming that I have Richard Hughes and Cassandra Conroy as witnesses.
Okay, and Cassandra Conroy is here today? Okay. Defense, do you have any pre-trial motions?
Yes, we do. May I approach the bench?
You can. Mr. Durant? Yep, perfect. Phones on silent, please. Otherwise, you can leave. Thank you.
So rude.
Nope.
This is a very courteous final warning to everyone. Please ensure your phones are on silent, otherwise you will be asked to leave the courtroom. Thank you.
Goddamn honor.
Is it goddamn honor?
Right, we are. That's all. That's correct. Yes. Oh, I have not sent it to Frank just yet. Bear with me.
Oh, I know.
I think there's a cat up there.
That's the goddamn magistrate. You show some respect.
I want to fucking touch it.
You don't fucking touch.
I could touch it if I want to, Wes.
Hit it gently.
Yeah, that.
Oh, I should throw that cannon knife out of the car. Oh my god.
Shit, that kid's fast.
Oh, he has a buddy.
Oh.
He's scared her off.
Look what you did, West. I'm sorry.
Yes.
You fucking did that shit. You fucking did that shit. Someone squeeze his nose. Squeeze his nose. Squeeze his nose. Good.
Let me see. Where does it mention? Okay, so it mentions we got a call from our employee Billy. No, Billy's not entered as a witness.
Don't listen to that.
Okay,
It's
so
not my
I
job.
would just like to strike
God.
the portion stating what Billy said.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, it's contained within the affidavit.
There's a lot of officers around us.
I like that it's not weird that I just ate an orange like an apple.
This is from Miss Genevieve. Genevieve.
Whatever this guy did must be big, so officers are on this side of the seats.
Oh, this was not colluded.
Yeah,
No, Miss Genevieve.
which
provided
makes us
the other.
honorary officers.
So Genevieve alleges that they received a phone call from Billy, and the information that Billy conveys is hearsay. We have no ability to verify
I think
that.
it's raining.
Hmm?
The sky is clear. Oh, it stopped.
He's cute.
Yes.
Danny.
It's very cute. What's up?
Danny.
What's up?
There's no smoking in the courthouse.
That guy smoking.
I wasn't smoking. Who's smoking?
Also,
Who's smoking?
this line about
That
being
lawyer.
told that an officer was trying to lockpick
Get
the
him.
car.
Well
Not
played.
long after we were told that officer was lockpicking his car. Do we know who said this or who can testify to this? It's just kind of thrown out there.
Excuse me, I hate to interrupt, sir, but there's no smoking in the courthouse.
I'm sorry.
Hmm?
It's okay.
You have something in your mouth as well.
I don't know what that is.
Your move, Solari.
Bailiffs, can we find out whose phone keeps going off
It's a
and have them
Popeye
removed from the courtroom, please?
Sir,
I've
I do
given
not
enough
hear a
warnings.
phone. Not
Because
gonna lie.
I'm hearing one.
Hold on.
I have any of you hearing a phone?
I was not, Your Honor.
Okay.
Everybody in the courtroom, please just put your phones on silent. Phones on silent, please.
Is he entered as a witness? Okay, if it's said by a entered witness, then I have no objection. Yep.
Okay, does the defense have any further pretrial motions?
Bear with me, microphone. We do not.
Yeah, please use the microphone in front of you. Thank you.
Yes, there we are. We do not.
Perfect. In that case, we can go ahead and proceed to opening statements. Prosecution, you will go ahead and start if you are ready to do so.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when you're ready in your own time.
Ladies and gentlemen of the court, today we have an in-shut case demonstrating proper escalation and use of investigative powers and authority to seize property by a member of law enforcement. Officer Richard Hughes was investigating a vehicle that D. Bennett was in possession of and discovered overwhelming evidence of drug trafficking. Nearly 300 grams of total illegal marijuana in various phases of production. The defense will endeavor to cast doubt on the legality of the actions of Officer Hughes. Still, at the end of the day, Officer Hughes did nothing that was not within their power as a law enforcement officer. It is the firm belief of this that there is overwhelming evidence for the charges brought against Mr. D. Bennett. Prosecution yields.
What the fuck was...
Okay. Defense, have an opening statement you wish to present.
Sounds like a horrible drug dealer.
Yes, Your Honor. So, as any qualified legal practitioner knows, evidence derived from an illegal search or arrest is inadmissible in court, just like fruit is inedible if it comes from a poisonous tree. Sadly, on the 30th of August, my client, Mr. D. Bennett, became the victim of a BCSO officer who was either unaware of or willfully disregarded this fact. The date of the incident was like any other. Whilst carrying out his daily business, Mr. Bennett parked his vehicle at his place of work, Mamma Mia's garage. Upon doing so, he was approached by the arresting officer regarding a minor parking offense, one tire over the line of his parking bay. When challenged by this, my client exercised his freedom of speech towards the officer, demonstrating frustration that such a minor offense would call his reputation into dispute at his place of work. The ensuing heating discussion is not a matter for debate. As the officer describes in his own arrest report, he argued with my client. My client knew his rights on this occasion, was winning the argument, and this frustrated the officer. This, we assert, led the officer to act on emotion rather than law. The officer carried out an illegal search, lockpicking the vehicle. While the prosecution may try to swing the narrative towards the contraband within the vehicle, our position as appellants is entirely simple. It is entirely irrelevant. Any items, regardless of what they may be, are inadmissible in court if the search that unearthed them was unlawful.
Okay. Are you yielding from your statement at this time, Ms. Middleton?
That's correct. I yield.
Okay. Then in that case, we can go ahead and proceed to case in chief. Prosecution, do you have a witness or a piece of evidence you would like to bring to the stand?
Yes, we would first like to call Officer Hughes to testify.
Okay. Officer Hughes, if you could go ahead and take the stand to your right, my left.
Your right, my left. Would you like me to speak through the microphone, Your Honor?
Yes, please. I'm aware that you have already been sworn in, which is fantastic.
Yes, I have.
Okay. Prosecution, you may proceed with direct.
Can he give a narrative testimony? Or they?
They can if they wish to, or if you wish to direct question, you also can. Bear in mind that this witness is eligible for cross-examination, and if it is only a narrative, they will be able to be questioned on any part of that narrative that is given.
Understood.
Okay. Proceed as you will.
Let's walk us through this incident in question.
So on the 31st of August, 12:15 a.m. AST, I was I'm Mamiya's Motors, as I believe there was a individual with a warrant there, and I was providing backup for a secondary unit. After the situation was de-escalated, I then stuck around. While I was, sticking around, performing my duties as a police officer, I saw a car speed into this parking lot, incredibly dangerously, and then the car parked illegally. I then
that person just said.
Decided to, hey, I think this can just be a warning. I think this can just be a warning. So I approached Mr. Bennett.
Did you?
I attempted to give him a warning. He said something to the effect of,
Fuck off.
Fuck you, don't care. Not verbatim. And as such, I decided, okay, he is disregarding a warning that I'm providing. I'm just going to do my job and give this car an illegal parking ticket. I then went to document the vehicle for tow, because that's something that we do as police officers. In doing so, I unearthed a fuck ton of weed in the trunk of his vehicle.
How does taking a photograph give you a fuck ton of
I
weed?
then
Very
D-Med, I
relevant
believe, came over to the car. He then submitted to arrest.
Get off your phones. There's a court case happening. My God, you're so rude.
We then took him down to BCSA South, where he was processed.
They're being rude.
Alrighty. Are
tell me
law
if I'm taking
enforcement
a
officers
photograph
empowered
tells you that there's
to
weed in
enforce
someone's
traffic
phone?
laws on
Tell me.
public or state-owned property?
Oh, yeah.
White shirt, let's go.
Are you aware
Investigator.
as to the court's rulings on what is state-owned?
To my best understanding, it is anything that just isn't inside of a legally owned business.
You broke case law. You're gonna get fucked.
Was the car parked in the parking lot?
Yes.
Was this parking lot inside the building?
Negative.
Was the car parked illegally?
AFAM.
Okay. Did you call a tow?
I did.
And did you witness the tow being completed?
No, I did not.
Is there... Was anyone there to witness the tow being completed?
To the best of my knowledge, no.
Does at the time he was under or the drug trafficking?
Sorry,
say the question
prosecution, could you repeat that question? Sorry.
At the
I think
time
you
that
need to take a
you
bit of a
took
cough
him
drop.
to be processed, was he under arrest for the charge of drug trafficking?
Yes, I believe that I directly said you are being charged with drug trafficking on scene.
And did you formally write that ticket?
The parking ticket?
Yes.
Absolutely.
All right. Defense's direct is done.
Think
I will object to the parking ticket. I don't see it in evidence.
It's just been testified to.
I will still object to the parking ticket. It is not in evidence.
Yup.
Okay. What is your objection, Miss Middleton, pertaining to the questioning?
the fucking
My
parking
objection
ticket's
is I
not
see
the
no evidence on the arrest report or otherwise that this ticket exists.
Well, the testimony that was just submitted,
just got
which is
caught
evidence,
with your pants
just
down.
just supported the existence of this ticket.
No.
You can cast aspersions on the
Cool,
weight
I can
of
say
it,
there's a
but
little dragon sitting
now
in the
in
corner
evidence.
waiting for me. It doesn't make him fucking real, dude.
Can you point this out to where evidence is?
Yeah.
It was just testified.
Okay.
Hearsay.
Before I go ahead and rule on the objection, where is this ticket?
It's no.
It's not. It's not.
Yes, I will maintain my objection for hearsay. This ticket is not in evidence. I do not see it
No,
anywhere.
no, that's fine. I will rule on your objection in a moment. I need to ask the question of where is this ticket?
To me? Your Honor?
To the prosecution side. Where
I do not have
I
that
need
on
to know
hand.
where this ticket is. Okay. Then I will be sustaining this objection. There is no ticket submitted as part of evidence as much as there has been testified. So the court will be noting the lack of a physical copy of the ticket or evidence substantiated regarding the ticket. So the court will be sustaining the objection of a lack of foundation, and will be taking that into account. Did the prosecution say that they were arresting their director at this time?
Yes.
Okay. Defense, do you have cross-examination?
Yes, Your Honor, we do.
Okay, proceed.
Mr. Hughes, do you regret anything about this interaction that you've described with Mr. Bennett?
Never.
Okay. Why did you feel it was lawful to access Mr. Bennett's vehicle?
To document it for tow, make sure that there was nothing that could, kill the tow truck driver inside of it.
What?
But you were confident that tow was arranged and would be carried out, correct?
Yes.
Let's discuss the interaction you had with Mr. Bennett. When Mr. Bennett swore at you, do you feel that you acted professionally?
Yeah.
Did you find Mr. Bennett to be challenging to arrest?
No.
Did you find him to be challenging when you first spoke to him?
Define challenging.
Let me rephrase. Did you find Mr. Bennett frustrating on your first moments of meeting him?
Ah, she's good.
Objection vague.
No, it isn't. It's very
Sustained.
specific.
Please move on, Miss Middleton.
Oh my god.
Danny, shh.
No,
Okay.
you're gaslighting the shit out of the woman.
When Mr. Bennett swore at you, Mr. Hughes, why did you swear back at him?
Objection relevance?
Rebuttal,
I'm
Miss Middleton.
building foundation. It's
The court will allow for now. The witness will answer the question.
Why did I swear at him?
yes. Why did you swear back at Mr. Bennett?
While I don't recall specifically swearing back at Mr. Bennett, I will state that I love swearing.
Right. As much as you may love swearing, Mr. Hughes, do your SOPs advise you to enter shouting matches with suspects?
I don't see why my SOPs matter in this regard.
Let's go help with that.
Please answer the question. It's a yes or no question. Do your
Objection
SOPs advise
relevance.
you?
Again, this has nothing to do with the acquisition of evidence.
I'll sustain that objection. The SOPs
If I
have
may
nothing to do
rebut?
with the acquisition. Yeah, of course you can rebut.
This is relevant because I'm outlining the true motivation of the search, which was that Mr. Bennett frustrated the officer, and the officer was acting out with their SOPs at the time of the search.
Rebuttal is frustration is not malice.
Do you have anything to suggest true malice in this situation, Miss Middleton?
It's written in evidence. It's in it's in the suspect's own statement, or it's in the officer's own statement. Richard Hughes said "fuck him" and then went to document the vehicle. I argue that in saying "fuck you," the search of the vehicle was conducted. This is not up for debate. This is in the arrest report. It's
May
his
I rebut?
words.
Who's asking to rebut?
Morgan.
Yes.
Prosecution. Yeah, officers are entitled to their First Amendment right. That doesn't prove malice. That just proves that they were yelled at and they responded in kind. It doesn't devalue the probable cause and suspicion on scene.
Okay, I think I've heard it. I will allow at this time Miss Middleton to try and build the foundation for her argument. The objection is definitely noted. Miss Middleton, you are on a very tight leash regarding this subject.
Understood. In that case, no further questions for now.
Okay. Does the prosecution have any further direct?
Yes.
Proceed.
When you were inventorying the vehicle, did anything of note pop up concerning the ownership of the vehicle?
I believe that the plate did not match the VIN of the vehicle.
Okay, and that would be another crime, correct?
FM it would be.
Another towable offense?
I would say so.
I will object again on relevance. There is no indication of this in the arrest report either.
They're testifying it to it right now.
I'll allow the testifying to continue. Same thing I said to Miss Middleton. I'll allow Mr. Durant to build his foundation regarding this, but please be advised you're on a very tight leash.
Introduce new evidence throughout a trial. That seems right.
Yeah, no, it's fine. That was the end of that line.
Okay.
1 second. Have you had any negative interactions with Mr. D. Bennett in the past?
To my recollection, no.
Have you ever met this Mr. D. Bennett?
Before the incident?
Yes.
I can't remember. So probably no.
Yep, defense first. Prosecution.
Okay. Does the defense wish to recross?
Not at this time, Your Honor.
Okay. Does the defense wish to call this witness back for their own director in their case in chief?
We do not.
Okay. Deputy, sorry if I'm getting your ranking correct, but Deputy Hughes, at this time, you are no longer held under subpoena. You are free to leave if you should so wish to do so. If not, you are more than welcome to watch from the gallery.
Okay, thank you very much. Am I fine to step down, Your Honor?
Yes, proceed. Go ahead. Mr. Durant, please present your next piece of evidence or present your next witness.
Prosecution would like to call Cassandra Conroy to the stand.
Sorry, what was the name? Cassandra Conroy?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Conroy, please approach the stand.
Cool, more bullshit to feed into the machine. Let's see.
It's my understanding that you've not been sworn in, so once you are behind the stand, Bailiff West, if you would be so kind as to swear Miss Conroy in.
Alright, please raise your hand. Alright, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you, Peanut?
I swear.
She is sworn in, Your Honor.
Prosecution, you may proceed with direct.
Can you state your name and rank for the record?
I am Deputy Cassandra Conroy.
Were you running secondary with Officer Hughes at the time of this incident?
I was.
Did you witness D. Bennett driving into the parking lot?
I did not witness him driving in, no, but I did witness the illegal park.
Okay. Did you observe the interaction between Officer Hughes and Mr. D. Bennett?
I did.
To your knowledge, did Officer Hughes have any previous interactions with Mr. D. Bennett?
I do not think he did, no.
Okay. And in your professional opinion as an officer of the law, did you detect any malice or bias?
I do not think there was any malice or bias involved.
And did you personally witness the evidence being collected from the car?
Yes, I did.
And it matches up with what's in the report?
It does.
It's fucking bullshit.
I'll ask the same questions I asked Officer Hughes. Are you aware of the court's policies around the leasing of business property?
I am.
Are you aware that parking lots are public property or state-owned?
I'm very annoyed.
Yes, I am.
It's a fucking kangaroo court
And
bullshit.
as a law enforcement
Prosecutor
officer, are you
isn't
empowered
worth
to
his
enforce traffic
fucking
laws
time
on
standing
said
there.
property?
Yes, I am.
But
to your knowledge, was a towed called for?
the system is
Where
broken.
was this taking place
To my knowledge, a tow was called for,
Doesn't matter
yes.
where it was taking place at. The fact is that somebody parked illegally and then their vehicle was
No, I
searched and they got
wasn't.
charged for a
Well,
whole bunch
no,
of shit they were
no, because
carrying in
I've
their
been
vehicle.
told that the or your mom.
To your
mom was
knowledge, did
told
anyone
that
else
the
witness this?
dealerships and mechanics
Not to
were
my
in parking
knowledge.
lots.
Prosecution's done with
I think it was outside of that then.
Yeah.
Ms. Middleton, do you have cross at this time?
Because it was like in front of Mount Vias, they have those high parking lots.
Yes, Your Honor.
No one
Okay,
from
you may
Mum
proceed.
is here to, unless D works from Mum is. That's an angle.
In the interest of proceeding, I'll keep it
They
short.
did not check
I
me
have
for
one
weapons.
question.
Oh, that's good.
Did you see a tow truck at any time
I don't know.
throughout this incident?
I do not believe there were tow truck drivers on duty, so I do not believe I saw a tow truck.
No further questions.
Can I redirect?
You can indeed.
What was the reason why you guys didn't stay with the car?
I do not remember why we didn't stay. We may have gotten another call, or we may have left to process the suspect.
Sorry,
And
can
for
you
the-
repeat that answer? I heard a very loud yawn that interrupted you.
We left to process.
Okay. And for the crime of drug trafficking, is the car that the evidence is discovered in required to be impounded?
I believe so.
All right. That's it.
What's going on about
Does the defense wish to recross at this time?
Hey.
Not at this time, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Middleton, do you have the intention of... Hold on, Ms. Conroy. I can see you're eager. At this time, Ms. Middleton, do you have the intention of recalling Ms. Conroy to the stand for your direct questioning?
I do not, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Middleton, it's time you are hereby released from your subpoena. You may leave or you may observe from the gallery. It is your decision. You may step down from the bench. Prosecution, can you please present your next piece of evidence or witness?
Prosecution would like to present photograph 1, demonstrating the car illegally parked.
Okay.
And
Does the defense have any objection to this particular photograph?
We do not.
Okay. Continue,
Uh,
please, Mr. Durant.
Prosecution also notes that it is not inside the building, it is in the parking lot. Prosecution would also like to point out picture 2, the contents of the trunk. I would like to point out that that is the amounts in accordance with the drug trafficking charge. Additionally, in evidence, the prosecution would like to point out the presence of the pistol Mark II, which has a scratched off serial number. Oh, I have my last witness is here.
That's fine. We can proceed to that in a moment. Just very quickly, is this the pistol that's currently in the evidence locker?
Yes.
The Mark II. Okay, fantastic. Okay, does the defense have any objection to the photographic evidence that's been presented along with the reasoning behind it?
We do not.
Fantastic. Mr. Durant, if you want to proceed with your next piece of your case in chief.
Yep, we'll be calling Felicia Copperhead to the stand.
Okay. Ms. Copperhead, it's my understanding that you have not yet been sworn in. Bailiff West, if you would be so kind.
All right, Copperhead, raise your hand, please. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you, Peanut?
I do, praise Peanut.
Good, good. He is sworn in, Your Honor.
Praise
Thank
Peanut!
you. Prosecution, you may proceed with direct.
Can you state your name and rank for the record?
Senior Deputy Felicia Copperhead.
Were you present for the incident in question?
I was.
Did you witness the exchange between Officer Hughes and D. Bennett?
I did.
To your knowledge, did Officer Hughes have any prior interactions with Mr. D. Bennett?
No. Not to my
Did
knowledge.
you... Sorry?
Repeat your answer, please, Ms. Copperhead.
Not to my knowledge, no.
Were you present for the search of the car?
I was.
Were you aware of or see firsthand the contents?
I was by Richard as he was going through it. I did not look through the vehicle myself.
Do you affirm that it was the car was illegally parked?
I do. It was, to my knowledge, it was all over the line.
And in your opinion as an officer, do you feel like there was any malice or bias present?
No, I don't believe so.
That concludes our direct.
Okay. Defense, do you wish to cross?
Yes, we do.
Proceed.
Once again, I will keep it similarly brief, this time 2 questions. Ms. Copperhead, you're the third officer I have heard on the stand testify that you were not present during the time of the tow. Correct?
I was present during the time where we called in tow, yes.
No, to be clear, the time of the tow, when the vehicle was towed, you were not present, you did not witness this, correct?
I did. However, if I may, we did call over radio for a tow driver. The tow driver shortly changed their mind and went off duty, and we were left with calling the locals to tow it.
Okay, I'm going to object to the hearsay amongst that answer.
Okay. That objection will be sustained. Ms. Copperhead, please make sure that you're only answering the question that's been asked of you.
Okay.
Thank you.
If you'll allow me to once again repeat the question. You did not witness this vehicle being towed, is that correct?
No.
Did you witness a tow vehicle at any time throughout this scene?
No.
And my final question, Given that this tow was such an important crime and must be seen to fulfillment, why, out of 3 officers, would none of you remain on the scene?
I believe we were called for a 77s or a 78s backup. So officers were needed immediately. We were short-staffed.
Understood. No further questions.
Okay. Does the prosecution wish to redirect?
Yes.
Okay, proceed.
Is it typical to not babysit a random car when you're short-staffed and officers are calling for backup?
Random car.
Yes.
What a statement.
All right, that's the end of our redirect.
Does the defense wish to recross?
Yes. Is it typical process to fully search a vehicle given no reasonable expectation of a tow driver arriving?
Sorry, can you say that again?
Objection.
On what basis?
This is presuming. So she's asking a question. I guess the basis would be confusing, because she is asking a question. She's asking the officer to answer a question with the perspective that she gained later. She did not know at the time that they called that there were going to be no tow truck drivers.
I will rebut. Why not? When you contacted tow, you received no answer. You searched the vehicle.
Yeah, so that wouldn't affect their search.
They searched without knowing.
Okay.
anything.
Sidebar, very quick, if you both would.
Yeah, sidebar the shit out of that. Hey Luke, how we doing? Am I being too loud? I'm trying to keep it down, man. Alright. We're good.
Objection is going to be sustained for now. Ms. Middleton, if you'd like to continue.
Yes, allow me one moment.
Not a problem.
Okay, hang on. Oh, there we are. Okay, so is it your belief that an unparked vehicle should be searched?
Yes.
To be clear, it is your view that any vehicle with any parking infraction that is towable can be subject to search without any probable cause or desired object of search.
Yes. This is our SOP.
No further questions.
Is there any further redirect to be had here?
No.
Okay. Does the defense wish to call Ms. Copperhead back for direct doing their case in chief. Phones on silent, please. Thank you.
We do
Otherwise,
not.
you can leave. Say that again. Sorry, Ms. Middleton.
We do not.
Okay. At this time, Ms. Copperhead, you can step down from the bench. You are free from your subpoena. You are free to leave if you wish to do so, or you can freely view from the gallery. Prosecution, do you have any further pieces of evidence or witnesses to present as your case in chief?
No. I would just like to point out that we do uphold Carroll v. U.S. Prosecution rests.
I will object to this, actually. Carroll v. US, my understanding is if a vehicle is being driven. I will also argue. No, that's my full argument. And in fact, no. The rest of my objection is as follows. If we are stating that this is a search based on any kind of... Why was this search not carried? Why was this search not carried out immediately? Why later? This makes no sense.
Does the prosecution have a rebuttal?
Yeah, the search was carried out as soon as the infraction was issued.
Hmm?
They do not have to search a car for a warning.
They can't just search your fucking car. I do that and I go to
Prosecution, it's my understanding that you'll be resting at this time.
Yes.
Yeah, because you don't know how to fucking, you know.
Okay. Court will be taking a 2-minute recess, and then we will go ahead and proceed to the defense's case in chief.
Your Honor, if I may sidebar with you before you deliberate real quick.
We're not deliberating yet, but come on.
He's gonna get me thrown out. I guarantee it.
Defense's case in chief first.
No, we got this in the bag.
Oh, I'm not saying the case is gonna be thrown out. I'm saying West is gonna get me thrown out of here, but you guys are gonna fucking lose, and if you don't, then it's egregious. You have no fucking case.
What do you mean?
Look up, who even are you?
Sheriff.
Gave you all of them.
You said it yourself. You're a bad cop. You don't know what you're
Yeah.
talking about.
Oh, you were a cop?
This guy was a cop.
He was
No wonder you're not a fucking cop anymore, cunt.
On one pinnacle point that you illegally searched.
The last time I was at the courthouse and I was happy.
Nope, it was legal.
Yeah, just because you didn't do your job properly when you were a cop doesn't mean that I can do it. That I'm not doing it correctly.
Yeah.
It's gonna be really.
Oh, divide and conquer.
Currently setting some up around.
Have a wonderful day.
And I believe more additionals are being radioed in.
Yeah, finally, looks like all those cases got judges. It seems like Slider got all of them.
What are we doing?
What are you doing?
Exercise.
After a couple months
I
on
want to know
yeah.
how this turns out, but
Oh yeah, I've got a gun. Don't worry.
it's gonna be bad either way. I want to find Maisie.
What's up?
Hi, Ranger.
Hello. Hello. How are you?
It's fucking
Aggie.
Yeah.
You're pretty.
No, you're
crazy.
pretty.
Before they
Oh.
fuck themselves, not gonna lie.
Wait, you're talking to me?
Hi, Jingle.
So
Dad,
confused.
who's this?
Absolutely.
Done
What
it.
are you doing here?
Yeah.
It's Timmy.
Smuggling drugs in here?
Oh, hi.
Hello.
Trying to sell the
It's
courthouse
DJ.
now?
I knew that guy.
You whispering still?
He still looks cute, Dad.
I'm thinking. I gotta figure this shit out. I gotta talk to Maisie.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Yeah, I gotta talk to that lawyer.
Do you
Oh,
need
what?
any more
Okay,
water?
so I'm not allowed to pay attention.
I know. I want to help her. I know you don't have a lot of time. We don't have to talk. The only thing their case is predicated on is the acquisition of the drugs, but the illegal search is an illegal search. It was a parked vehicle without any. Like you're on the right fucking track. Son.
baby.
Me?
Well, I just went inside the court because I thought I saw you, and then you weren't in there, so.
Where's the bad guys?
Yeah, we're getting back.
You might be the person that convinces me. Okay. It's really cool. I know, and I've been nerding out and making the cops so pissed because they can't argue. Okay, I believe in you. Even if you don't get this, I'm gonna back you up. I believe in you. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. I might take on the world as a paralegal.
Oh, shut up like that.
I think she'll find it
But you
interesting.
gotta go to and talk to the.
Yeah, well, or get caught, you know.
No, before you go to the too.
Yeah, but that was fun. Oh, right, I can't do that.
Yeah.
I mean, I
Funny.
could do
This
that.
guy
maybe.
wouldn't let up. I texted Woody and I was like, this guy's a fucking idiot. He's like, oh yeah.
Yo, who the fuck's
think
driving
Uncle
a
Kyle's
fire
awake?
truck around?
I
It
hope
looks
so.
like it's the fire brigade.
Where's the defense and the
But I saw
defense?
people in the back that was dressed up like firemen as well.
Is that a thing?
Yeah, they respond
There's a
sometimes.
fire station behind here.
Mr. Bennett.
I've been in this city for going on 3 months.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I
Please
have
make yourself
never,
comfortable.
ever saw a
Like-
firefighter.
Yeah, you know how the
Start
police
back
are on
up.
this side of the other
Alright.
building?
Oh,
The
I
fire
have-
brigade.
Can I have a
fire
member
brigade
of
for
the
you.
court security detail enacting today at the bench, please?
My dog.
I think they're researching.
Do you want to go boosting with Uncle Kyle?
I was gonna do. I'm gonna be flattering
Are you
and
gonna
say
stay
you'll
here
let
and
up in
watch
here as
this?
you, Luke. But
Yeah, the shop. I will
Well, I'm
go
going to stay
boosting.
here and watch this. Do you want to go boosting with Uncle Kyle?
Right, we're going to be carrying on. The prosecution has yielded
I can
their
stay
case
here
in
and watch
chief.
this, and you can do
We're going to be
that.
Yeah, he has to come
presenting
get me though.
the defense case in chief now.
It's gonna be so fun.
Ms. Middleton, are you
Meet her at
ready to
City Hall.
proceed?
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Have
Mr.
fun
Duran,
boosting.
are you
I'm
ready
looking
to
at my
hear?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Then, Ms. Middleton, the floor is yours.
if you see a snowball flying, don't crush it.
Fantastic. So, firstly, I will call attention to the photograph in evidence. We see marked as this vehicle was not towed at all. I will use this evidence to assert the exact same, which is that no tow occurred, no tow truck was present, no one knows anything about towing relating to this vehicle. Therefore, it was not inventory,
No, you're
it was
good.
unlawfully searched.
Okay. Would you like to present evidence and witnesses pertaining to your case in chief?
Yes, I would. First, I will call to the stand Mr. D. Bennett.
Mr. Bennett, it's my understanding that you have already been sworn. Please feel free to take the stand.
I'll sit out here. You can go back inside and just.
Now it is my legal obligation as a member of the judiciary of the Supreme Court of San Andreas to inform you that as this case is pertaining to yourself, you do have the right to exercise your Fifth Amendment right to not self-incriminate. Do you understand? Okay. Do you have any questions or concerns pertaining to your Fifth Amendment right to not self-incriminate?
No, sir.
Okay, and with this in mind, are you happy to take the stand today?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Ms. Middleton, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay, so the arresting officer mentioned that you arrived back to the garage in a speedy manner, right?
Yes.
So the officer was interrupting your day-to-day business when he approached you. Is that correct?
Yes.
Given that you were interrupted, how did it individual to be questioned on such a minor traffic offense?
I mean, very frustrating, honestly.
The arrest report describes a heated interaction between you and the officer, where you swear at him, he swears back at you, and then searches the vehicle.
Yeah, hell yeah. I bet that felt good.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
Did you consent to that search of the vehicle?
No.
Did the officer provide you for any reason that he would be searching the vehicle?
No.
Did the officer ticket that vehicle?
Not that I'm aware of.
Let me rephrase. Are you aware of a parking ticket related to this incident?
No.
Given the heated interaction you had with the officer, did that interaction and the subsequent search feel personal?
Yes, it did.
Why?
I was in my place of business talking to another officer, and it started off saying, "You're gonna get a ticket." And I just told him, I'm like, "Fuck it, give me the ticket." You know, I had to talk to the other officer. It was urgent. And then next thing you know, my car's being searched. I felt violated. The fact that, man, that's it. I just feel violated.
I can only apologize for that feeling. Can you talk us through this other officer's presence on the scene? What was the other officer there for?
I believe one of them was there for his, like, possibly a ride along for my, or you know how cops ride in twos. I believe that was his partner, or their partner. My apologies. The other officer, I don't recall her being there, but you know, I only remember those two and the officer I was talking to at the time.
So, on your speedy return to the garage, was this relating to other police officers?
Yes.
Why?
Well, we got a call from one of our employees. His name was Billy. Well, is Billy. And he told us, like, hey, there's some stuff going down here, and you guys need to come here right now to back me up, because we were able to tell him where his whereabouts were, because his car had a warrant or something like that, and he had a warrant. I can't remember too much of the case. The whole time was foggy right there. But I talked to Henry Buck, rest in peace, and that's why we had to go there. We were writing down statements to clarify that Billy was in the shop at the time.
I will not press further into the details, as it is not particularly relevant to this case, but I will ask you, the parking offense that you were accused of, was this at all relevant to you at the time?
What do you mean?
Allow me to rephrase. You were not concerned about...
Oh.
You were not concerned about...
I was wondering where you were.
Parking infraction.
Give me just a second to get up.
Me, Aggie.
Yeah, I would have.
You should know it's not a good thing to knock over your uncle.
Aw. I'm sorry. Oh. Uh-oh.
So
Where's Danny at?
Then he may have acted differently.
He's inside. Why is he inside?
He wants to watch the trial.
I'll sustain.
What trial? What is going on?
Oh god, arrested for drugs.
The foresight is.
I see.
Agrees irrelevant to the actual behaviour of what happened. You can go ahead.
We're not doing that.
Understood. This was my...
That's gonna be a no.
No,
All right. All right. We need to go somewhere that we can get away from this.
Where most of your backup will be.
Also, I really love this lawn.
Does the
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
It's a pretty good lawn. We're not doing that again.
Refrain my urges for now.
Yeah, we're not gonna do it right now. Maybe later. Maybe later. After we have some fun. So I hear you like boosting.
Yeah, that's fun.
I see.
Drove, and Dad did the thing, and then we perfected it, and they came and dispensed it, and we beat the shit out of those guys.
Wait, what? You beat people up?
Yeah, the guys that canceled. Not fun.
I see. I don't usually beat those guys up. You know, they're part of the trade. You gotta let them do their jobs. Anyways, we gotta get a vehicle. So how far have you? So how far have you made it into the books of boosting?
Page 1.
Okay. Do you know all the rules of boosting? There we go. I'm loving it. Rule number 1 is never get caught. And rule number 2 is drive fast as hell.
Yeah, with the food truck.
Wait, oh, okay. I see. We're gonna have a little bit more fun. Hello, I'm gonna need your car.
Good God! Oh, damn it.
Yeah, this is a little fun one.
Oh, I'm sitting left.
Oh, I see. Interesting. Let me find us a place to roll over real quick, and I will get us started on one. I have some fun ones tonight. Okay, what is your name again? Because I think he said Aggie?
Yeah.
Aggie, okay.
Yeah.
All right, Aggie, are you freshly adopted?
No, I'm their biological kid.
They had a biological one this time?
Yeah, they're two.
What?
Yeah, me and Danny.
I didn't know this happened. I'm about to have a talk with my brother about how this was hidden from me. Our bad. All right, we're good. All the cops are going to be concentrated on the courthouse right now. Good. You don't need to do that too much. You see, Uncle Kyle prefers to have a hacker along. Yeah. But if you want to drive, you can drive.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay. This is going to be a fun drive. This is our target. It is all yours. I hope you're better lockpicking than your father is. Nice. You already are better. Nice.
Where are we going?
All right, follow the marker. This is a fun car. It will eventually. That's why we're going to try to get on the highway immediately. All right, see, there we go. Nice and easy. And now you can just let the throttle go. Let's just see what this thing has in it. This car's pretty good. I'm loving the engine so far. All right, you're gonna want to exit here.